Using the basic concepts of blend modes, easily change white into any color including black in Photoshop. Create realistic colors by combining the power of blend if coupled with adjustment layers and blend modes. In this tutorial, we will be using S.
This image download link in description.
First, get Quick Selection tool. Selection done. We can get best selection. Now click Fill Layer Adjustment button and select Hue Saturation option. You should check the colorize mark. Click on it or mark OK. It is very important. Now you change the frequency in hue, saturation, and lightness. Now you can successfully change the colors. Try to get different types of colors. Remember to subscribe my channel.